Welcome to the first episode of Kids Cooking with Oren, and I'm Oren. I will be teaching you how to cook with drinks, smoothies, lunches, breakfasts, and dinners, and maybe sometimes desserts. Today, for our first video, we will be making microwave s'mores. You might want to save this video for like after dinner, because I don't think you want to have s'mores for breakfast. And every couple shows, I'm gonna have a guest, a special guest. Come on over.
Hi, my name's Levi, and I'm 4.
This is my little brother Levi, and he will be helping me cook today. You might see him in some of my episodes. Okay, so again, we will be making microwave s'mores. So, some ingredients you will need is, what's this?
S'mores!
Marshmallows, some chocolate, and graham crackers. You're gonna, if it comes in like this, you're gonna want to split it, but like right into equal squares. Then you will want to take however many s'mores you're making, one of each for that. You're gonna want to put it in the middle of it.
You need to get them out too squishy.
Wait. Might be squishy.
This one's mine. I like when
Okay, put it in
tears
there.
apart.
And you're gonna want to put it right in the middle. Right here.
Hello, my
And
name
then, and I would like you to pause this video now. I'm going to do it too. And I want you to, if you have a microwave, great. Put this on a napkin or a towel. Put this in the microwave for, let's say, like 15 seconds. Okay, so for your microwave, it might have buttons, it might have whatever kind of microwave you have. So my brother is gonna do it. I will be putting them in, and you can open the microwave. Leave it. 1, 5. Oh, that's open. Wait, no, don't press that. Yeah. Sorry. Don't close it unless it's in.
we need something under it.
No, that's what this is going to do. No, don't press that yet. You got to close it. However you close, if you push it, if you press a button, and then you're going to want to press start. However you start your microwave. You will wait for that to be done. And you might want to get some of your other ingredients ready. And when that is done, you are going to open it. Perfect. When you're done microwaving it, for 15 seconds, it will come out smushy and you don't want to eat it yet. So you will take your piece of chocolate, go ahead, and put it vertical, horizontal, however you want. Stop moving. Good. And when you are done with that, you will take your graham cracker and push it down on here so it gets everywhere. Like, go like that. Pick it up. Maybe let it cool for a second because it was in the hot microwave. And then eat it. Okay, you can try it. But eat over the plate. How was it? Good? Yeah, so it turned out good for us. I hope it does for you. See you next time on Kids Cooking with Oren for the second episode. Bye.
With me.